Alright, good day. My name is Engineer Valentino. I'm going to discuss you the concept of the logistic growth and an applications to calculator. When you say logistic growth, the mathematical model or the differential equations model is dp dt equals kp times p sub o minus p, where we say that k is the Malthusian parameter and PO is the maximum sustainable population. Okay. Now, of course, okay, the solution of this differential equation can be solved, and then okay, the model is the same as P sub O, or this is the solution. P sub O over P minus 1 is C e to the minus PO KT. Okay, where this can be modeled using the exponential model y is 8 e to the dx. Okay. Now let's solve the problem. Right. Because of a limited food and space, the squirrel population cannot exceed 1,000. So obviously this will now be a what? This will now be already a logistic growth because there is a maximum sustainable population. It grows at the rate proportional to the existing population. If there were 100 squirrels 2 years ago and 1 year ago the population was 400, about how many squirrels are there now? Now, if we say that when t is 0, our reference is that 2 years ago, t is 0, our population is 100. And then when t is 1, our population becomes what? Becomes 400. Alright? When t is 2, you're asked what is what? What is the population? Of course, our maximum sustainable population is 1,000. So all you have to do is to use this mathematical model like this one. Okay, go to menu, and then you have 6, and then choose this exponential model that is number 1, and then input this value. When t is 0, okay, you will have to input. Now remember, our y is this one. So you will have to input P sub O. Our P sub O is what? 1,000 divided by the population is 100 minus 1. Okay? And then after 1 year, you'll have to compute the same thing. You have 1,000 divided by 400 minus 1. Okay, you now have a logistic model. Just enter clear, okay, and then after 2 years, just enter 2, shift 1, and then okay, options, and then find that regression number 4, find that 5. Okay, so your 2y hat, okay, your 2y hat is equal to what? 0.25. But remember that your 2y hat is the same as P sub O, which is 1,000 divided by P, okay, minus what? Minus 1 is equal to 0.25. And solving for, okay, let's solve for what? 1,000 over P is equal to what? 1.25. Therefore, our P is just what? 1,000 divided by 1.25. And the number of squirrels is what? The number of squirrels is P is 800 squirrels.